Buongiorno, Pythons. Welcome to Italy.
We're not in Italy yet.
That's French. And if you want to experience the joys of Italy, make sure you come to today's interest meeting.
Yeah, it's an amazing opportunity to experience a new culture.
Now, on to the announcements. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Bentornato, Python.
That means welcome back in Italian.
Now, unfortunately, we're gonna have to say arrivederci.
That means goodbye.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Python!